Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I started off with this that looked pretty cool, and then I went to this. That's pretty cool. I've done this with lines before, but never like this. Now, I'm going to take a square, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm making it white so we can see it on the black background. I'm going to make it 4 points. Let's make it 8 points. Then I'm going to pick the smallest dot there are. Now, for this to work, to change the dots, you know what? We're going to try this too. I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard and pick this right here that's going to fix. And I put a corner on every corner. Well, you know what? I really meant to shape it in anyway. Now, you have to do this. You have to go to Object and convert the outline to an object for this to work. And then you take your interactive fill tool and just kind of swipe up and then put yellow in one corner and red in the other. And you could pick any color you want. Now, and this is where you could pick any size rotation. I'm going to Control D, and I'm just going to rotate it. Let's try 2 degrees again at 98% of the original size. And then I'm just going to Control D again all the way around. That's pretty cool. Let's try it a little bit differently. I should have made it. You know what we can do? Here's a good lesson. Control C to copy that. And then let's back up and get rid of all the rotations. Wow, a lot. So now we're back to where we were, and I can paste that other one right there so I can look at it later if I like it actually better. We'll put it over here. Whoop. I never grouped it together. Control G. And I am working in the center of the page, but it doesn't really matter on this square. But this time, I wonder what would happen if we pick a preset. It's going to maybe take a little time for this to work. And I don't know if it worked or not. Might not be enough. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's one of those deals like almost using the other tools. I picked the other one. Sorry about that. Trying to zoom in on this. That's pretty cool. But this time, let's take this one and Control D and just rotate it 1 degree and 99% size. It'll almost probably turn into lines. Look at that. See, they're almost like little checkerboard lines. I really like that one. Wonder what, now that we've checked on this one, I wonder if we could go back and check on this. I most likely would have to probably do it. I was thinking about it. Most likely have to do it before you start. And it's one of those deals I wish I would not have gone this far. Zoom in here. I don't like it any more than the original. Anyway, just playing around. This one I didn't round off the corners, so the corner comes up above the edge on all of them. I like that one the best. Wow. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.